The Energy Conservation Assistance Program has been around since 2016. However, in 2023, the Office of Environmental Energy Coordination, in partnership with the Northern Virginia Soil and Water Conservation District, revitalized the program to reflect the needs of community energy efficiency upgrades because of our community-wide climate action goals. The program provides financial assistance to homeowners associations, condominium associations, places of worship, nonprofit organizations, as well as charitable organizations to make these energy efficiency upgrades, renewable energy projects, as well as resilience projects on their building or property.
About 4 years ago, I picked up the idea of attending to our energy needs, especially along with the priorities of our diocese that wants to establish net zero goals for our congregations by 2035, and that's a big effort. And so this is the first step in a long series of steps. Solar prices have come way down, and the prices have dropped by 2/3 since we started this project. It's not a matter of economics anymore, it's really a matter of financing. The energy conservation contribution, particularly on this project, they've been able to help us acquire the engineering and design we needed. And so that was certainly a help and a morale boost that the county is here supporting us, and they'll be there to support you too if you want to take part in that.
In Fairfax County, we've set ambitious climate action goals, and to reach those goals, it can't just be county government. This project here at the Church of the Holy Comforter is a great example of how members of the community can come together and do real projects that have a real impact on the climate, but also help the community here. This is going to reduce the energy bill for the church. This is going to provide additional shade during the summertime for the cars parked in this parking lot. And it's really a really wonderful asset that provides a win-win-win scenario for everybody involved.
An energy audit is a decision-making tool for organizations. It gives you a roadmap of priority projects, what they're going to cost, and a return on investment. An organization is eligible to receive up to $10,000 in a single funding year. An organization through the lifetime of the project can receive funding for up to 3 projects or a maximum of $20,000. There's one benefit though if an organization completes an energy audit, and that you can receive funding for an energy audit as well as a recommendation in a single year.
The first effort to really understand that and to move forward with potential construction projects was to do the energy audit. And the energy audit was performed, and it gave us our roadmap for going forward with the most cost-effective and energy-saving steps in the process. That's when we were introduced with Fairfax County and with their assistance, and that really did help to get the ball rolling.
There are a number of eligible projects. Part of the renewal of the program in 2023 was to expand that list to reflect projects that will help us meet our community-wide greenhouse gas emissions reductions.
So we're looking at a 40 to 50% savings, which is possibly because we were able to bring the wattage down. The high-intensity discharge lamps were 195 watts. These LEDs are 100 watts, and we're getting a brightness comparable or even better than what we had. And the grant, yes, the grant most certainly does help us in meeting other challenges that we might have as a 45-year-old community to maintain the vitality and functionality of the community. So we are most grateful.
Almost everyone should do this, and it's a way to care for our planet, to localize distribution of energy, to get us off greenhouse gases as quick as possible, and to care for our future well-being of all of us together.
People can learn more about the program by going to the fairfaxcounty.gov website, and in the search bar, type in Energy Conservation Assistance Program.